How to search Telangana ration card village wise. Now we are going to search FSC website. You can select FSC website. You can select Food Security Act Telangana EPDS Telangana. You can select this website. It shows number 1 Telangana Ration. Just click it close and go to reports. You can select here reports. Then you can go to ration card reports, FSC card status report. See here once again, ration card reports, FSC card status report. You can click here ration card report. Then you will get all other districts: Adilabad, Rangareddy, Medak, Nalgonda, Khammam, Nizamabad, Hyderabad, Hanmakonda, Karimnagar, Mahbubnagar, Jagityala, Janagam, Mahbubabad, Nagal Karnool, Peddapelli, Sangareddy, Siddipet, Vikarabad, Vanaparthi, Warangal, Jayashankar Bhupalpalli, Jogulamba Gadwal, Rajanna Sirsilla, Kamareddy, Medchel, Bhadradi Kottagudem, Surapet, Yadadri Bhuvanagiri, Mancherial, Nirmal, Komrambim, Asifabad, Mulugu, Naranpet. All 33 districts shows here. You can select your own district. You can select your own district. Now I am showing the one example, taking the Rangareddy. Select Rangareddy. In Rangareddy, how many mandals we have? It shows all the mandal details here. From the, let's see here, 25 mandals we have. Abdullapur, Met, Amangal, Balapur, Chevella, like this, all the mandals you will get here. In mandal, how many ration shops we have? Just you can select here. But I am selecting one example, Abdullapur Met, the first one. You can select here. See here. Here not showing your village name. Because of one village, sometimes we have 2 or 3 ration shops. So they are not showing the village names. It can give the ration shop number. You can select your ration shop number. Just see. Here is showing almost how many we have. 41 ration shops in Abdullapur Met Mandal. Okay. Now I am selecting one. Just select your ration shop number. Just click on here. It will show all the details from reference number, ration card number, card type, name of the family, house number, number of persons. It can shows units, number of persons. This ration card attached with gas cylinder or not. If you connected, it will show single cylinder, multiple. See here, single, Deepam connection, single, no connection, there is no gas cylinder, gas attached. So when it was approved, it shows date and time. Okay, just see here, reference number, ration card number. This reference number we will get from at the time of application from MeSeva. This is ration card. What you get allocated your ration card number. This is the ration card number. FSC, the head of the family. Like this, you will get. Just see how many ration cards we have in this village. This ration shop. Just see here. Go to down and go to down. Yes, we are going to down and going to down. Now we are going to down. How many ration cards we have in this ration shop? Just see. Now almost 2000 is completed. Now we have 2275 ration cards we have. This is the for at the time of creation of applications. This is the checking purpose they allocated. The website is properly working or not. Just the checking purpose. Now this is the last one when it was approved 2025 July 15th. This one last updated. So we can check this last ration card number. Just we can copy and go to FSC website, go to here FSC search, then it will show sometimes error. Just click here, login again, FSC search, ration card search, FSC search. Here you can take FSC search and put it here, ration card number. We can provide ration card number and search. See here how many members we have, 4 members. Now how many members we see in here, 4 members. Like this you can get your ration card details in Telangana government portal. Which portal we have to log in? Go to here, Google FSC Telangana. You can select and search Food Security Act, epds.telangana.gov.in. You can type here, just you can select and search. You will get your ration card details. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.